Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can limit unwanted interactions on Instagram. So here I've already opened the Instagram apps on my phone, and to limit unwanted Instagram comments or messages, what you need to do is click on your profile, then click on the three lines icon at the top right corner and then scroll down until you find the limit interaction option here. Click on that. So this by enabling this feature, you can limit comments and messages that will be hidden unless you approve them, but it won't affect your reach in feed and also explore. So after that, just click on continue. Here you can choose who to limit: accounts that aren't following you, for example, and also the recent followers. And here, if you want to, you can just enable this until it turns to blue like this. And you can also set how long you will limit this option. So here you can choose between days or weeks. For example, I'm going to just 1 week, for example. Just click on set reminder. After that, then just click on turn on. So that's how you can turn on limits in Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.